It starts at the morning. Um, Morning. What is the morning? Okay, it's 11. Yes, I wake up and I'm starting the day. I'm just going like go to the shower and stuff. So when I'm done, I was going to read books. I have no fucking. I just have this guy just go to my fucking. Just I can't. Oh god! Oh god! I like Trump. I hate Trump. Oh god! Oh god! You need to build a wall. Bye. I'm gonna just. She loves Trump. Oh my god. Oh no. I like Obama. Really good kid stuff. Okay. Oh god, this guy is so fucking. And then when I'm at the when I am at the house, I just go in and just go to the room and play some games. I really don't. I really don't eat a lot. So yes, watch. Lol, I'm invisible. Oh god, let's go now. And now let's just go to black is the color. So I just gonna just like staring this frame a lot and then going crazy like dancing. Fuck, like dancing. So I'm just dancing around when 7:37 p.m. I just stop dancing and go to praying, praying, take, I don't know why, but it's my religion thing. So don't judge. So yeah, when we just, when I just praying and stuff, I just go to eat like that. I just eat and eat and eat and just and and play some games. Yeah.